About 2 years ago, I went with my class on our first school trip. 5 days in Paris. There were about 30 of us and 4 teachers. We all went in one big coach from our school in London. The teachers told us to be at school at 4:30 in the morning. Everyone was there on time, but the coach didn't arrive until 5 o'clock, and we didn't leave until 5:30. We were very cold and tired. Anyway, the coach was very comfortable, and we watched a video and listened to some CDs on the journey. We had some sandwiches and drinks with us, so we went straight to Paris without stopping. The trip was quite expensive. It cost £240, and we wanted to save money, so we didn't stop at motorway cafes. It only took us 8 hours to reach Paris. The name of the hotel in Paris was the Hotel Berry. That's BERRI. It was very old, but our room was nice, and the bed was great, really soft. I shared the room with 3 other girls. When we went shopping, I tried to practice my French a few times, but sometimes I didn't know the right words and spoke in English instead. The shops were great. I bought lots of presents, even a t-shirt for my little sister. I think what I most enjoyed was the river trip. I took lots of photos of my friends and also of Notre Dame Cathedral and the wonderful art galleries. I was sad to leave Paris. I had a lovely time there. We came home by coach, and this time the journey was much shorter. We even arrived back half an hour early.